All right, these are going to be the glass elevators here at the Mall of Millenia here in Orlando, Florida. These are very rare Schindler 300A with EPCO WGH fixtures. The other one. Here, let's go up to 2.
Yes, thank you.
Door close button does not work. Watch out the window. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a nice day. Cab, you are going down? There, I got the door for you. They're beautiful elevators. Watch out the window. Beautiful fountain out there. There we go.
Thank you.
Cab view. Beautiful, beautiful elevators. Your fixtures, EPCO WGH, hands free 88 kilobyte phone, 6,000 pound capacity. Inspection. This place is beautiful. Set on the 1. Wow. All right, go down to 1. Concierge is right nearby these things. I love these buttons. And that's it.